To download the Phantom Wallet for iOS, start by opening the App Store on your device. This is the primary platform for downloading and installing apps on iOS devices. Next, tap on the Search tab at the bottom of the screen and type Phantom Wallet in the search bar. This will bring up the Phantom Wallet app in the search results. Look for the app developed by Phantom and tap on the Get button next to it. You may be prompted to enter your Apple ID password or use Touch ID or Face ID to authenticate the download. Once the download is complete, tap on the Open button to launch the Phantom Wallet app. You will be prompted to create a new wallet or restore an existing one. If you are new to Phantom Wallet, select the Create New Wallet option and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your wallet. During the setup process, you will be given a recovery phrase, which is used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to your device. Make sure to write down the recovery phrase and store it in a safe place. After setting up your wallet, you can start using Phantom Wallet to manage your digital assets. Phantom Wallet supports a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Solana, and allows you to send, receive, and store your digital assets securely. To ensure the security of your wallet, make sure to set up a strong password and enable two-factor authentication. Additionally, always keep your device and Phantom Wallet app up to date to protect against any potential security vulnerabilities. By following these steps, you can easily download and set up the Phantom Wallet on your iOS device and start managing your digital assets securely.